Hi everyone, I'm Vamsi. This is the first video in this YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna build a node application and run this application in a Docker container and containerize it and run as a Docker container. Okay, to build the Docker container in before we are gonna build node application. So as a first step, I'm gonna take a index file of index.js. We need Express framework, so npm install. Okay, our app design at port. Okay, we will run this application. It is running or not to check that. Yeah, our application is running. Okay, now I wanna go and make a router, get router to check the response is getting or not in the browser after containerizing the application. Hello from Docker container. Okay, we are gonna create a file which is all commands will be located in the Docker file. So then I'm also the file name is also a Docker file. This is a textual document which contains all the commands to create an image. Okay, for creating a image we need a base image, so every image will be created on the base image. So is base image also a image that it's also created on a base image of another image. Okay, for that we will use the command from image name node alpine, and after that we can make a working directory of our application app. Okay, after that we will copy both package files into the container. Okay, copy. To copying both at a time we will use start.json. Okay, after that we will run this package.json files. The command we will use run npm install. After that we will copy everything which are source code, so that copying everything into the same directory, which are app directory. We are in the app directory. So okay, after that we will export our port. Okay, expose our port 3001. This is our port we are exposing. After that, we will use that port to listen outside of the container. Okay, command we will use to start our application in the container. It will take an array of things. Npm start. Okay, this is our Docker file which contains all the commands to build a Docker image. Okay, we will build Docker image. To build a Docker image, we will use the command of docker build t for tagging the name of the image. So we use node docker is the naming of our image. After that, we will give the path where is our Docker file located. So the same directory I am representing here, so dot will be location of the file. So here our Docker image is building as a first step of taking the base image and making app directory and copying our package files. Okay, our image is successfully built. To check that our image is successfully built or not, use the command of sudo docker images. Here all the images of Docker images. Here is node docker, our image latest. Okay, to run this Docker image, we use the command of sudo docker run it interactive terminal dp detached mode and port of 3001 to 3001 and the image name, image id also we can give the image id also. Okay, our container is successfully built. To check that, sudo docker ps. Yeah, this is our container of 3001. It is running on 3001. We will check that. Yeah, hello from Docker. Our application is running. Okay, you can log that. Okay, container cao, sorry, logs, actually it is logs. Okay, yeah, app is running at localhost 3000, but actually we are using containers for making isolating each container. So if you see, these are all images. Okay, if you make any new application and container making an image and making that image as a container, so we are isolating the every image will be isolated, every container will be isolated, so they don't interrupt, they don't disturb other application. We can run individually. And also when we are exporting our port to if I am using local 3000, we can also use whatever port we are giving here, but actually the container port is same. Outside of the port will be different. If you wanna make, we can run more. In future I will also discuss about Kubernetes. It is a container management tool. Okay, this is our application, and I will also give this source code and GitHub link also. Thank you for this. This is my first video. If anything wrong, please correct me, please comment below. I will improve my skills to teach what I know. Okay, thank you everyone.